Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to permanently pause Windows 10 updates using a third-party Freeware tool that is known as Windows Update Blocker. This application will block Windows Update and will not let you update your Windows 10 machine until you resume it. So I will provide this software link in this video description. You can download from there. I have already downloaded it and I will show you how it works. So after extracting, you will find two files, WUB and WUBX64. According to your system architecture, you can run 32-bit file or 64-bit file. So I am using 64-bit file, so I will run this one application 64-bit. After running this application, you will see something like this as you can see on the screen. To enable the Windows Update services, just select it and click on this one apply button. This service status will turn into green, and if you will select here disabled option, then ensure you check this option protect service setting. This will disallow Windows 10 to start the Windows Update services and prevent your Windows 10 from updating to the latest one version if in case it is available. After selecting this one option, click on this one apply now button. This will turn service status as red. You can verify from Windows settings in case it works or not. After opening settings app, please click this one update and security, and when you will try to check for updates, you will encounter error and Windows will not download any updates in case it is available. And if you want to resume the update, you can enable through the Sordom Windows Updater software that I have already shown you. Like this, you can permanently enable or disable Windows Update on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.